Okay, you ready for a mind blower? Because everything you thought you knew about chainsaws is about to get, well, recut. Seriously. The year is 1785, a normal delivery room. And instead of a C-section or modern tools, a doctor is using a chainsaw. Not the big, scary kind we think of today, but a smaller, hand-cranked version. It was invented by two Scottish doctors, John Aitken and James Jeffrey, to make a procedure called a symphysiotomy easier and quicker. This was a brutal surgery to widen the pelvis during difficult childbirths, often performed when the baby was stuck. Before the chainsaw, doctors used a small, sharp knife, making the process incredibly slow and painful for both mother and child. So yeah, the next time you see someone felling a tree, just remember, that tool's origins are decidedly more delicate. WTF Facts.